one of the most popular theory of evaluation by natural selection. Charles Darwin explained in this story the tale of the peppered moths and bird attacks. In 19th century England, light-colored peppered moths blended perfectly with the lichen on trees, hiding from hungry birds. But as the Industrial Revolution darkened the trees with soot, these moths stood out, becoming easy prey. Suddenly, the darker moths, which were rare, had a survival advantage because they were better camouflaged. Birds' selective attacks on visible moths drove a rapid shift in the population. Classic example of natural selection, showing how species can quickly adapt to environmental changes.